Short vlog this week. It's been a very busy week with life, work, and just sometimes when I'm going at it at work or appointments, I forget to just take out the phone and record because I'm just so into it because I care so much. I'm so passionate about my work. So that's why I found record is because I'm just so focused on the deal or the appointment or whatever it is. And the day after a stressful day of negotiating deals, we are now going for a short walk and now relaxing. A friend sent me this picture. I'm all about making memories with friends and family. The office today, catching up with emails, leads are coming in. Got our quad espresso keeping us going. Been here for 3 hours and we're still just making dents. At our first showing of today here in Black Rock, Bridgeport. Quiet area, probably one of the most hidden gems of Bridgeport. I truly love the area. Very arty, it's awesome, vibey, trending, and it's probably your best bang for buck in Fairfield County. So here it is, a beautiful open format kitchen, open concept living here in Black Rock area of Bridgeport. I love the all white and the light gray walls. The bathroom is brand new, redone. And wait, what's that? Oh, wait, there it is. Here I am. As I head upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom upstairs, and it is full hardwood flooring throughout the entire house. Hitting the gym right after our showings. It's been a long day. Time to release stress. The next day, I ended up in Stamford for an appointment at Chapin Landing. What a beautiful morning it is with all the boats and just a nice view of the ocean. Visited one of my buddies' complete remodeling of the entire house in Middlebury. Everything is brand new with wainscoting, custom kitchen, must see, and it is off market for a good price. Third showing of today this week. This is a beautiful house. Get ready. So this house is located in Watertown. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, open format kitchen. I love it. Everything is brand new, fresh, brand new countertops, refinished flooring throughout. It's just turnkey, ready to move in for you. After my 3 appointments in the area, I went to my league match at the Watertown Golf Club that I normally participate in and donated a brick for the new pavilion they built. Next day, we went to the gym nice and early, picked up my dry cleaning at the local cleaners next door because I have to stay fresh and clean with all my good suits. Then I went right into the office and just started doing CMAs, appointments, setting my schedules, property searches, all the back-end work. Happy Friday. I am in my office working on leads, working on contracts, cleaning up the inbox, just trying to be efficient for the weekend. Things are going great. Just need to be efficient and we can reach new levels. Have a great week, everyone. I decided to spend the Friday night home cooking with my fiance. She's an amazing chef. And then I decided to just become Gordon Ramsay in the kitchen myself, but definitely do not put me in the kitchen, even though the food came out great. Had a special visitor after dinner. He came by from down the road, Mr. Ted. Running a little behind this one, but today I am getting ready to head to a walkthrough in Terryville for an off-market property I helped close on. And then we're going to head to another wedding, and then it's going to be a long night. Stop by to grab coffee at Quinn Brew, one of the greatest local coffee shops in Watertown. And they had a cool little pop-up that day I went right before our walkthrough. This was probably at 11 a.m. on Saturday. Highly suggest following her on Instagram and potentially buying her stuff. This is the ceremony at the wedding I was at. Then they kicked it up a notch at the reception. They were just having a ball. I love weddings, such great energy. Everyone's dancing, having a great time. Then the next day, I was at a fundraiser for Pop Warner Football in Watertown at Veterans Park, and it was pouring. It was that rainstorm that everyone's going to be remembering forever, but holy cow, look at all this rain. So we had a soccer game in the morning, pouring rain. We had an event in the rain. Crazy. Over 3 inches of rain. Just got to a showing here in the pouring rain. People will say, why are you doing a showing in the rain? Well, I think that's the best time to do a showing in the rain, is because you can check the basement if it for leaks or if there's water in there. Definitely super important to know. Back to what I was saying, this is why we do showings in the rain. Leaky roof, no good. This may go down as the craziest flood in our lifetimes here in Watertown. It was bananas. Like, holy cow, look at that. That golf course is non-existent anymore.